Okay. Now, what about? I know like there's not really discovery in small claims, is there?
There's no discovery in magistrate cases.
So how do I get his receipts to show that they say he only?
You don't need his receipts.
I don't.
No, you. Okay. So what you do is the way a magistrate case works is you go you just figure out the county in which he lives in, right?
Cobb County.
So then you would go to the courthouse. Yeah. You would get a small claims form. Right. It's a 1-sheet piece of paper. It's like a Mad Lib.
TikTok, my boy.
Thanks. You just fill out the sheet, right? Yep. You check mark for what you'd be suing for, like sale of goods or a contract dispute, right?
Yeah.
All right. So you would just like get that sheet. There's like questions, right? Like check the box you want, and then you go, okay, purchase new engine, right? Received used engine, breach of contract, right? Damages $3,500, like whatever the price of it was. You file that with the court. You pay them $50 to $75, whatever the fee is. Then you pay another $50 to $75. Have the sheriff's department go out and serve a copy of that to the guy. Once he gets it, he's got 30 days to respond to the court. If not, there'll be a hearing in his absence. You can get a default judgment. But you've asserted the claim. So then you print out your text messages. You print all of your things. You go to court, and the judge is like, magistrate court is very casual, right? You'll go in, the judge will go, okay, why are we here, right? And then you'll say, Your Honor, I said I bought a new engine. I was buying a new engine. He promised me a new engine. I have text messages here where he said, I'm giving you a new engine. And I come to find out that it was used. He has to prove he sold you either a new engine or that he told you it wasn't. So he needs to bring his receipts, not you.
Showing that it was whatever.
Well, he would have to bring the receipts showing it's a new engine, or bring a copy of a conversation or an agreement with you where you agreed or he told you it wasn't new. Right? So you come in and going, he told me it was new. Here's my stuff. He has to say, no, I never told him it was new. See, on March 17th, I text him, new engines aren't available, but I got to use one from a junkyard. Are you okay with that? You said, yeah, sure. Okay, you lose. Or he goes, no, Your Honor, here's a receipt from AutoZone where it says that I bought a new engine. AutoZone sold me a fake engine, a used engine. Right. And then he wins, and then you got to sue AutoZone. Right? But if he doesn't have those things, then the judge goes off with the best evidence, which would be yours.